Hi, this is Chuck. It's common to have back pain and back symptoms become more chronic, and a lot of times what we see is over the course of years, symptoms can get bad and then they subside, and then they can be good for some time, and then they flare up again, and then they subside. And what we see is a lot of times in between those flares, patients can get lost. They don't know where to go or where to start, and they're starting the process over every time they have one of these flares. That's why it's so important to have a home base for your back and neck issues, because if you have that home base as you enter and exit those ebbs and flows of symptoms, you have somebody who's been with you all along and followed you through the process, and they know what symptoms you have, they know what treatment works for you, and they know what the next step should be for you to get the care you need, and you're not starting the process over every time you have a new episode. And so having that home base is really helpful when you have chronic symptoms that can progress over years.